ह्या घटनेक 6 महिने जाऊन गेले, मात पीडित चली अजून पुलिसांकडल्यान न्याय मेळटलो म्हणून वाट पळयता। घडले ते अशें 21 ऑक्टोबर 2024 ह्या दिसा करासवाडा हांगासर एक अपघात घडिल्लो, जो एका 4 व्हीलरान खंय 2 व्हीलराचेर धडक दिल्ली। एक्सिडंट जालो, प्रकरण पुलीस स्टेशनार पावले। मात अपघात दनपारा जाल्लो तरी रातची 9:30 वरां जाली तरी आपल्याक पुलिसांनी थंयच दवरिल्ले, अशें त्या चलयेन आपल्या कागाळींत म्हटला। मात ज्या मनशान ताका धडक दिल्ली ताका मात पुलिसांनी खंय वचपाक मेकळीक दिली, असो आरोप त्या चलयेन केला। एका चलयेक इतल्या उसरां मेरेन पुलीस स्टेशनार बसोवन दवरपाचें कारण तरी कितें, असो प्रश्न लोकांक उपरासता। मात आपल्याक जो इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर आशिल्लो तो खंय तरी जो अपघात घडला ताका सेल्फ एक्सिडंट म्हणून रजिस्टर करपाक आपल्याचेर दबाव हाडटालो, असो गंभीर आरोप त्या चलयेन केला।
My name is Meena Colasso. I am from Thivim. I am a resident of Thivim. So I have come here to the police station because there was an accident that took place regarding my bike, which was held on the 21st of October last year, 2024. So this accident was where a man, he was very negligent. He was on a phone call and he rammed into me where we all had waited in traffic. And after that situation happened, he got out of the car still on the phone and he did not give me much importance at that moment. Yet he made a statement saying that he works under the government and that no harm could be taken against him, no action could be taken against him. And that also later on he said that he would handle the whole situation by himself. So the police were called on site and everything was done and I was taken in the police vehicle for medicals. And once that happened, I came back to the police station around 1 p.m. in the afternoon. And from 1 p.m. till 9:30, I was kept in the police station and my statement was not taken in until and unless I had to involve the media into it. Once that happened, I was also I was approached a lot of times by Tushar Redkar, who was a police officer over here, a policeman, and he kept on insisting that I would say that my accident was a self-fall and register it in that way. And also my bike was still kept at the police station, and his vehicle, whereas the man who hit me, his vehicle he was allowed to take out.
सो जेन्ना एक्सिडंट जालो करसवाडा हांगासर तेन्ना फक्त तुजी मेडिकल केली आणि द ऑपोजिट पार्टी वॉज नॉट डन मेडिकल.
No, he was not.
वाय इट वॉज सो?
Because I was the one, the impact was more on me. The bike was between two vehicles, two four-wheelers, two cars.
द
So
अदर
I
पार्टी
had to
वॉज
fall.
कॉल्ड आउट ॲट द पोलीस स्टेशन.
Yes, he was called out at the police station, but no such actions were really taken against him. So I had to come up and meet ma'am from the Mahila Mandal, and she's the president, so that she could give me some help and support.
How long this case was pending till the police station?
So it was on the 21st of October. So now if you look at it, it's over 6 months that it has been here, and I've come again just to get some insight about how the process is going on with it.
Did you get any answer in the middle of the month, like why they had kept your bike in the police station and
No,
was
I have
not released?
I have not been approached by any of such. Even though we came, we checked for the vehicle, we had questioned also, we had questioned Tushar Redkar, but then there was no answer from his end.
Any action been taken by the other party who has hit
No,
on
there
you?
was no action taken against him as well. Only for now that we've got to know is that there's been a negligence, like a folio that has been put up against him on him.
आज या घटनेक सुमार 6 महिने जाऊन गेले, मात पोलिसांनी या बाबतीत कांयच प्रतिक्रिया दिली ना। देखूनाची दखल गोवा महिला काँग्रेस आघाडीन घेतल्या आणि त्या पीडित चलये वांगडा वचून डीवायएसपीक जाब विचारलो।
पुलिसांनी खंय फुडें केस पावला, कितें जालां, तेजी व्हेहिकल खंय, तेजी हांगा पुलीस स्टेशनान व्हेहिकल तशी आसली कितले दीस, आनी जेणी अक्यूज्ड आसा तेणी आपली कार घेवन केन्ना व्हेली सुद्दां, आनी हें कळूंक ना. तर त्या टायमार इंचार्ज आसलो हेजी केस हँडल करतालो तो मिस्टर तुषार रेडकर, आनी तेंच्यांनी हेका सांगलें, म्हणजे जे आमकां कंप्लेन म्हाका चेडवान दिली आनी बरोवन आमी आतां इनवर्ड केला हांगा लेटर, तेंच्यांनी सांगलें की हांगा तेणी तुषार रेडकरान सांगलें की तूं केस अक्यूज्ड आसा. तर ड्रायव्हरान भायर सरला आनी म्हळालो पळय, आय एम एन ऑफिसर इन सो एंड सो डिपार्टमेंट, गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट, आनी आपल्याक तूं कांय करूंक शकना, हांव कितें तें हँडल करता. सो तो एटिट्यूड इज इट करेक्ट टुवर्ड्स अ महिला ऑर अ कॉमन लेडी हियर हू इज फेसिंग सम इश्यूज. मागीर वी कम टू फॉर एनी इश्यूज टू पुलीस स्टेशन. पुलीस स्टेशनार जेन्ना ते आयले तेका हांगा आयकचें पडलें की तूं ती केस सेल्फ एक्सिडंट म्हणून रेजिस्टर कित्याक करना. सो वॉट कायंड ऑफ थिंग्स वी आर लिसनींग टू. म्हणजे तेणी त्या टायमार म्हाका दिसता ते आसल्यान मागीर तेजी आवय बापूय हांगा येयली आनी तांकां आयडिया नासली वॉट इज दीस आनी कितें प्रोसेस करूंक जाय.
कित्याक पुलिसांनी इतलो तेंप एक्शन घेतली ना? स्वता गुलाम म्हणून घेणारो हो राजा जाला काय कितें? अशे जायते प्रश्न सद्याक लोक उपरासूंक लागल्यात।